itong si General Torre. General, I think you're a tower of ignorance and an edifice of nonsense.
Actually, nabasa ko nga yan.
Oh. Kaya sabi ni Torre, dinimanda niya raw ng grave threats, ano pa yan, inciting to sedition, ano pa, unlawful utterances.
We already submitted it for unlawful utterances at saka inciting to sedition. So, nandun na rin sa docket ngayon at for case build up na rin yung reklamo natin kay former President Duterte.
Which specific statement that he made?
Gusto niyang patayin ng 15 senador.
You're more popish than the Pope. Bakit ba nagre-reklamo ka? Hindi nga nagre-reklamo yung 15. Joke lang yon, and I was saying, the administration group should be happy and welcome it. You know why? Unwittingly, the former president is admitting na malakas ang kalaban, kaya kailangan bombay mo para mawala. Hindi ba?
Sabi nga, talking of opportunities, the only way to do it is to kasabugin na lang natin yung ano.
Yun ang implikasyon nun. Kayo talaga. Bakit malakas? Number one, yung mga tumatakbo dati ng senador at maraming bumabalik na senador. Ano bang kailangan mo pag gusto mong manalo? Kailangan mo ng name recall, face recall. They have all that. Kung titingnan mo yung kalaban, halos 2-3 lang ang meron doon.
Okay.
Tapos, kailangan may organisasyon. Yung mga tumatakbo ngayon sa kabila, talagang puro may organisasyon kasi galing na sila ron . O, pangatlo, kailangan may pera. Alam mo nung kailangan ng pera. Itong mga kalaban, wala . So, talagang malakas sila. Kaya yung biro ni Presidente, sa tingin ko, kinikilala niya yon. Kaya yung sagot ni BBM, I just read the remark of BBM doon sa rally niya sa kahapon yata. Sabi niya, sandali lang po, bibilangin ko itong mga kandidato ko kung 15 na baka pa nabubomba. Yun ang magandang sagot kasi nagbibiro din siya. Ganon dapat, hindi yung demanda. Kaya sabi ko nga, don't you have any other productive and sensible things to do other than these foolish things of filing cases? Magandang gabi sa'yo, Jojo.
Magandang gabi.
Kahit na pinahirapan niyo ko pagpunta rito, pinaikot-ikot niyo ko, nandito pa rin. Kasi love kita.
Ganun ba?
Pero
Nahirapan ka ba?
MVP, ayusin. Magaling to. Kaya para saling-pusan lang tayo dito.
Uso naman kami niya. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Well, ako naman, nung when they told me about this political show, sabi at the onset, I immediately told them, sabi ko, I'm very political, but not an issue-oriented, pero not in that, yung
not seriously
level,
political.
not seriously political, no? But I know my issues, of course. Everybody should be, di ba? Pero, sabi, hindi, talk about that in short of saying, para bang ano na lang, parang on the table talk, di ba? Pero hindi coffee, wine and spirits.
Okay.
So para mas masarap ang kwentuhan. Anyway, marami na naman tayong mga ganun before, no?
Yeah.
So, well, it's election season. I'm sure you're on top of things, especially with the senatorial balls na...
On top of things, hindi on top of people,
Well, and that too. Not to sound too controversial, pero let's get right down to business. Sal, pare ko, ito lang Nagsabi agad si Tatay Diggs. Sabi niya, dapat para daw siguraduhin yung slate ng panalo at wala na patayin na yung 15. Ang tanong ko, ano ba yan? Gibain, pero patayin na. Sino ba ang unahin doon, just in case?
Sabi ni Torre, dinimanda niya raw ng grave threats, ano pa yan, inciting to sedition, ano pa, unlawful utterances. Sabi ko, itong si General Torre, General, I think you're a tower of ignorance and an edifice of nonsense.
Actually, nabasa ko nga yan.
Ikaw naman, alam mo naman na joke yun. Everybody was laughing when they heard him. In fact, sabi ko, you're more popish than the Pope. Bakit pa nagre-reklamo ka? Hindi nga nagre-reklamo yung 15. Joke lang yon, and I was saying, the administration group should be happy and welcome it. You know why? Unwittingly, the former president is admitting na malakas ang kalaban, kaya kailangan bombay mo para mawala. Hindi ba? Yun ang implikasyon nun. Kayo talaga.
Well, since you put it that way, sabi nga nila, well, sabagay, when you think about it, I have read somewhere, kung yan ang presentation mo, Sec, sabi nga nila, the fear daw of the fear of the enemy of you is dependent, you will see that in the weapon that they will use against you. So, ibig sabihin nun, tama ka naman. Ibig sabihin nun, malaki yung takot ng presidente to sa 15. Now, my question is, na 15 ni Presidente BBM, my question is, ikaw ba may takot dun sa 15 na yon?
Hindi. Kasi talagang malakas sila eh.
Malakas talaga. Because they're in the
Maliban
administration.
o tama ang perception na sinasabi ko, eh talagang malakas. Bakit malakas? Number one, yung mga tumatakbo dati ng senador at maraming bumabalik na senador. Ano bang kailangan mo pag gusto mong manalo? Kailangan mo ng name recall, face recall, they have all that. Kung titingnan mo yung kalaban, eh halos 2-3 lang ang meron doon.
Okay.
Tapos, kailangan may organisasyon. Eh, yung mga tumatakbo ngayon sa kabila, eh talagang puro may organisasyon kasi galing na sila ron eh. O, pangatlo, kailangan may pera. Alam mo nung kailangan ng pera. Eh, itong mga kalaban, wala eh. So, talagang malakas sila. Kaya yung biro ni Presidente, sa tingin ko, kinikilala niya yon. Kaya yung sagot ni BBM, I just read the remark of BBM doon sa rally niya sa kahapon yata. Sabi niya, sandali lang po, bibilangin ko itong mga kandidato ko kung 15 eh, na baka pa nabubomba. Yun ang magandang sagot kasi nagbibiro din siya. Ganon dapat, hindi yung demanda. Kaya sabi ko nga, don't you have any other productive and sensible things to do other than these foolish things of filing cases?
He understands naintindihan ni BBM yung mga ganong
kaya nagpapatawa rin siya.
Joking.
Dapat ganun na lang.
Pero kasi mayroong mga moralists kasi around him and who says otherwise, especially yung nasa social media na para bang nasasanay na raw yung, and I quote, nasasanay na daw tayo sa ganyang klaseng talk, crass talk if you'd like to call it that, no? And it's hurting daw the moral, it adds up to the moral decadence, if you'd like to call it that also, of the country. Would you agree, Seko? Ano mo
yung mga sinasabi mo yung mga walang sense of humor at walang common sense na tinatawag. Anong trash talk? Joke yun. Joke eh. Paano maging trash and joke? Papatawa nga eh.
Parang masyado na nagiging sensitive tayo. Ganun ba? That's what's your...
Balat sibuyas.
Balat sibuyas.
Palibasa, amoy sibuyas na kayo.
pero do you ever talk about to the president about that?
Nag-dinner kami nung isang gabi, natatawa lang siya. Natatawa siya. Hindi niya pinapatulan.
Yung mga ganun
kwentuhan. Ano ba tayo? Demokrasya pa ba tayo? Mag-joke ka lang, didemanda ka na.
Oo nga, no? Bakit
kaya ini-ignore niya, pinapabayaan niya.
Hindi niya
Hindi na kasi, sabi ko nga, only a fool would think that a joke is serious. Either you're a joker yourself, or you're stoops.
Alam mo, yun yung naisip ko eh. Minsan kasi, since probably maybe because nung araw hindi sila sanay sa mga lokohan ng mga lalaki, mga joke, yung mga on the table na tawag tayo mga usapan lasing nung araw di ba? Sek na parang maraming hindi yata sanay sa
ganun. Hindi sanay? Maniwala ka doon. In private, ginagawa nila yun. Mga, sabi nga ni Anthony Casero, balat kayo pala. Kayo yun. Ang buhay sa mundo, kayo yun.
So parang selective ba yan? Selective
Puro politika lang yan.
So bakit?
Kaya dapat maging amuse ka na lang sa kanila.
And that's what you do. With all these things
they entertain me.
They entertain you.
Yes.
Oh, that's good. That's good. Especially now with what's happening, that you have to be, parang ganun na lang yata dapat ang ginagawa natin. Gawin na lang natin, just bring out the popcorn and start
enjoy
the
Otherwise, talagang may stress ka, ataking ka pa sa puso.
Pero merong mga kasi na tumatakbo in PDP, in your party, na sinasabi nila na well, I'm sorry, I'm just repeating what I read, no? Na not deserving, and nandun lang daw para gawing palamuti and then just to spite the present government.
Parang ang dating mo sa akin, you apparently agree.
Not really. No. I'm merely repeating the things that I read, no? And you're the perfect person that I would ask because you're like on top of things and on top of everybody else. I've always believed that everybody deserves a chance, no? But I also believe in the same manner that some people deserve more chances than the other ones.
I agree.
So, plus, just to put a little bit of controversy, if you will, yun nga daw, those that were put there were precisely there just so they can spite the present government.
Other candidates have the right to consider themselves qualified and have the right to run. no matter how wrong. Kasama yun eh. Talagang natural yun eh.
That's true.
Di ba?
That's true.
Parang desisyon ng Korte Suprema, regardless of whether it's right or wrong, it's right. Kasi yun ang kanilang mandate.
That's right. Oh. See? Yan ang gusto ko kay Sec, Attorney Sal, kay Sec Sal Panelo eh, you know, sabi ko kasi you can be feisty, you can be intelligent and charming at the same time. Di ba? You remind me of me.
Good. Ibig sabihin, nagsasalamin ka.
Oo nga, uso ngayon yan.